We've decided to have the Les Roberts tournament here because we got asked by Les's partner Alice back in February to hold the tournament and a fun day in his memory, really. So Les was a local lad, he loved his football. Unfortunately he died tragically last year, so this tournament is basically to commemorate his memory. With the permission and help and support of Les's family and friends, we've brought this tournament to life, really. We're at the back end of the day now. We've had the under-8s and the under-10s are just finishing off in the background here. And it's been a lot of people in town pulled together to make a good day. There's a lot of people we have to thank, obviously, for making something like this happen. People like Alice's mum, Kath, she's been supporting us today. The large number of Les's friends who have contributed in many ways, like giving the time, giving prizes, things like that. It's been really good. And amazingly, in town, we've had so much support from the Rotary Club, Bala Town, Coley Properties, Falcon Electrical, Berwyn Bakery, Aykroyd's, Mark Watkins, Matt Nicholson, St John Ambulance, and a million other local businesses have all contributed in different ways. And a load of people from the football club have come together and helped out as well. There's Aled, Deo, Marianne, Nick, Donna, Andrew, Jeff. It's just been a really good day. This is the first time we've done it. We're intending to do it every year from now on. It's gone really, really well. Our under-8's got a runners-up cup this morning, so that was good. Unfortunately, didn't get through to the finals this afternoon, the under-10s, but it's all part of having a bit of fun and the guys enjoying themselves.
Dwi wedi dod o Frogoch, dwi wedi dod I Bala I cael hwyl, a dwi wedi bod yn chwarae pêl-droed, a chwarae the bouncy castles, a neud tattoos, a neud cacennau, a face painting, a cael hwyl. Enw fi ydi Luke, a fi'n dod o Bala. Rydw I wedi chwarae pêl-droed heddiw, a oedd fi yn defence.
Reit, Edwards dwi, rheolwr o Danwydd Bala. Da ni bod yn ymarfer trwy'r flwyddyn I gyd. Gaea, rha, bob tywydd. Ac mae wedi dod ymlaen heddiw, lle da ni wedi cael tirio'r llwyddiannus iawn. Lle mae gafon ni 3 tîm o Danwydd. A gafon ni un dîm mynd i'r ffeinal. A lwcus yn y ffeinal. Ond ar y lleill chwarae dda iawn hefyd. Dangos bod yr ymarfer wedi dangos heddiw. Wel, i'r hoci ifanc, mae dod dipyn o bethau fel pob dod at ei gilydd. Mae'r tre I gyd, Bala yn dod yma heddiw at ei gilydd. A hefyd, I teuluoedd hefyd, y hoci wrth gwrs, eisiau dangos wrth I teuluoedd be maen nhw wedi bod yn dysgu yn yr marfer, a heddiw maen nhw wedi cael dangos i'r tre I hun, maen nhw'n bod yn chwarae.